Have you noticed something lately? Every week, a new AI tool comes out claiming it will change your life. Then you click the website, they ask for credit card before you even test it. It can be frustrating. But here's the funny part, some of the best AI tools on the internet are completely free, and many people don't even know they exist. I'm not talking about the popular tools everyone already mentions in every video. Today, I'm showing you hidden gems that can save you money, help you work faster, and even help you start making money online without paying for expensive subscriptions. And don't skip number 10 because it's one of those tools that feels illegal because of how much it can do for free. So let's get started. Number one tool is Napkin AI. Imagine explaining a difficult idea to someone. Now imagine an AI turning that idea into beautiful diagrams, mind maps, charts, and professional visuals in seconds. That's exactly what Napkin does. Instead of spending hours inside Canva or PowerPoint creating graphics, you can simply type your idea. For example, how a customer buys a product online. Within seconds, Napkin AI creates a clean visual showing you every step so you can change colors, icons, and layouts with one click. This is perfect if you're a teacher, student, YouTuber, blogger, or business owner. And to use this tool, all you need to do is to open the website, describe your idea, choose the design you like, download it, and that's literally it. So to make money with this tool, you can offer infographic designs on Fiverr, create presentation graphics for businesses, sell educational PDFs, create visuals for bloggers. Many businesses don't know this tool exists, so they will happily pay someone to do it. Number two is Hitfield AI. This tool is becoming a favorite amongst creators. Instead of creating ordinary AI images, Hitfield creates cinematic photos and realistic camera movements that looks like they were filmed with expensive equipment. Want a luxury advert, a movie style product shot, a dramatic social media video? This tool can do it. To use it, all you need to do is to upload your image or create one. Choose a camera movement like zoom, dolly, or cinematic pan, then generate the video and download it. Like it's surprisingly simple. And to make money with this tool, you can create advertisements for local businesses, sell product videos to Shopify stores, make social media adverts, create short movies intros. Like people pay good money for professional looking visuals. Number three is LTX Studio. Imagine making an entire movie without hiring actors. That's what LTX Studio helps you do. You simply write your story, the AI creates scenes, camera angles, characters, and even storyboard. So it's like having a movie production team on your laptop. And to use it, it's simple. You just have to describe your story, generate scenes, adjust the camera shots, export everything. Even beginners can use it. So to make money with it, you can create YouTube animations, sell explainer videos, offer storyboard services, help brands, plan commercials. Number four tool is Notebook LM. Most people think this is only for students. They are missing a huge opportunity. Notebook LM lets you upload PDFs, books, meeting notes, then it becomes an expert on your document. So instead of reading 300 pages yourself, you simply ask questions. You can turn your notes into a podcast where two AI hosts discuss the information naturally. This tool is honestly impressive. So to use it, you have to upload your document, then you ask questions, generate summaries, and create audio discussion. And to make money with it, you can create study guides, offer research services, help businesses summarize reports, turn complicated information into ebooks. It's an incredible tool. Number five is Skyrim's AI. So once video that look like Netflix, Skyrim AI helps create realistic cinematic videos from text. You just have to describe your scene and the AI will create it. So you don't need cameras, you don't need actors, you don't even need editing experience. And to use this tool, you have to access the website, then you type your scene, choose your style, generate, and click download. Yes, and that's basically simple. And to make money with this tool, you can create YouTube intros, you can make adverts, you can sell cinematic stock videos, you can offer video creation service. Number six is Gamma. Most presentations are boring. Gamma changes that completely. So instead of spending hours arranging slides, This AI helps you build beautiful presentations automatically. Like you can provide your topic, Gamma will write, design, and format everything for you. It will even add images. And to use this tool, you have to enter your topic, okay? Then you choose your style and review the styles, export to PowerPoint or PDF, and that is done. To make money with this tool, you can design investor pitch deck, you can create business presentation, you can offer presentation services on freelance website like Upwork and Fiverr and the rest. You can help students prepare assignment. Number 7 is 11 Reader. This is not just another text to speech tool. 11 Reader can read books, articles, PDFs, and documents using voices that sound almost human. So you can listen while driving, exercising, or even cooking. So it saves you a lot of time. And to use it, you have to upload your documents, then you choose your voice and press play. You can even adjust the speed. And to make money with this tool, you can create audiobook summaries, offer accessibility service, convert training manuals into audios. You can sell learning resources. Number 8 is Pinocchio. This tool is completely different. So instead of struggling to install complicated AI software, Pinocchio installs many open source AI tools automatically, just in one click, and that's all. No coding, no confusing commands. It's like having an AI app store. To use it, you have to install Pinocchio, browse available AI tools, and click install. Wait a few minutes and start using them. To make money with this tool, you can set up AI tools for clients, offer installation services, teach AI automation, create tutorials on YouTube. The truth is, many businesses want AI but don't know how to install it. So this is where you come in handy. Number 9 is Find. Think of Google, but built specifically for solving problems. So whether you're coding, researching, or learning something new, Find gives detailed answers with explanation instead of just links. So even non-programmers can use it to understand difficult topics. To use it, all you need to do is to ask your questions, then read the explanation and follow the suggested solution and save useful answers. To make money with this tool, you can offer research assistance, you can create educational content, you can write technical articles, help businesses solve software problems. Number 10 tool is Open Web UI. Remember, I said the last one would surprise you, and here it is. So, Open Web UI lets you run many powerful open source AI models in one beautiful interface. So instead of paying monthly subscription for different AI chatbots, you can manage multiple models yourself. It's clean, fast, private, and incredibly powerful. As open source AI keeps improving, tools like this are becoming more valuable every month. So to use it, you have to install Open Web UI, then you connect the AI models you want. Start chatting, writing, analyzing files, and generating ideas. Everything happens inside one dashboard. To make money with this, you can build AI assistants for businesses, you can offer AI consulting, you can create customer support bot, you can teach AI setup services, you can also create premium AI workflows for company. So this is one of those skills that will become more valuable over the next few years. Now, here's something many people don't realize. Knowing AI doesn't make money. Did you hear that? Knowing AI doesn't make money, but using them does. Thousands of people bookmark videos like this, and very few people open the website and actually practice. The people making money aren't always the smartest, they are simply the ones who take action. So, the best thing you can do for yourself is to take action after watching this video. So, here's a small challenge. Pick just one tool from today's video, spend 1 hour learning it today, then ask yourself one simple question. Who needs this skill enough to pay for it? That single question can completely change how you see AI. So if you enjoyed this video and discovered at least one new AI tool, don't forget to like the video, subscribe, and turn on notification because I'm going to be bringing more updates about AI tools and how you can use them to your advantage and also make money with it as well. Thank you so much. And don't forget, like I said, to like, share, and I'll see you in my next video. Have a lovely day. Bye.